What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to reveal to you my dividend income for March. And last month I was a little disappointed. There are some dividend stocks I kind of need to focus on. And I'm going to start incorporating, I don't know if I'm ready yet, but I'm going to start incorporating JEPI, JEPQ, DJIA, QYLD, RYLD, XYLD, and maybe NUSI and Devo, because I need that monthly income to start buying these quarterly dividend stocks on M1 Finance. I told you I was going to do it, and I do plan on doing that because I know that they're not really good with dividend growth, but I need income to start funding this to get to the point where I don't have to touch these guys anymore. I'm just going to reinvest dividends. That's kind of my long-term goal with these guys. Just keep on reinvesting, keep on reinvesting, keep on reinvesting, getting pretty good dividend income, and then flipping that eventually. So by doing that, throwing money into, these covered call ETFs and ETNs, there's a possibility that, I can really turbocharge it even more. In travel nursing, it's really paying off because I'm throwing $500 a week, sometimes even more. Throwing $125 a week into my traditional IRA to max that out. And again, with my income, I'm kind of throwing it in there for tax purposes versus a Roth. And also with, when there's a big dip, I have money planned to throw in there. So I'm dollar cost averaging. It's going to get to the point when I graduate, I'm going to start paying off student loans. So I did pay some interest. I got my taxes back. And it wasn't too bad. I mean, because of rich uncles and a few things, I took a big loss with crypto. And Fundrise appreciation wasn't too hot. I'll probably go over my Fundrise revenue with you as well sometime this week or next week, and my plans with Fundrise. And I appreciate doing videos, by the way, with you guys. So make sure you put a comment in the comment section for more videos. I might just do individual reviews because I think that people like that, with individual stocks versus saying, oh, here's 3 dividend stocks to buy right now. I kind of like doing that. I'm not going to do as many shorts. I will do shorts probably to let people know, hey, there's good videos out there. I'll do shorts here and there. But I really like doing videos versus shorts. Shorts are just, they're too fast, and then you have to redo it and this and that. I like posting videos at least 10 minutes or more. So that's kind of what I plan on doing, but I'm still going to do shorts here and there. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, you got to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. And let's check my dividend income out right now. So here's my E-Trade dividend portfolio. Right now, I'm at an unrealized gain of a minus 11.23%. The market's been going crazy. Net account value is $41,566. Still have a little bit of cash purchasing power, but some things that were very attractive with my dividend portfolio, I really like. And just estimated income, I don't think I added SQFT. I'm going to add that in the end for 04. Can't keep up with all my dividend stocks I own. And, that is, it was just a really good month. So the funny thing is, I'll go over my performance. I'm just buying dividend stocks, and I'll show you my overall performance in E-Trade versus the S&P and NASDAQ. It's actually really interesting. So my performance is my individual brokerage account. I've been buying the dip in stocks. I mean, I'm not going to be too upset if I'm not beating the S&P. But my brokerage account, my performance in the past 3 years is 70.56%. NASDAQ is at 56.16%. The S&P is 57.14%. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average is 47.89%. I'm not trying to beat the market at all. I'm just putting money in dividend stocks, and I'm actually beating the market, which is actually hilarious. So, it's funny. People are saying, well, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm running circles around these guys right now. I must be doing something right with investing in certain type of dividend stocks. If I'm losing against these guys in the long run, I'm not too upset. But right now, I'm running circles around these three juggernauts, and they can't keep up with me. So I just find that very interesting and funny. I'm not even trying to challenge the market or anything. So let's go over my dividend income. So I had to add a few stocks because it didn't show up in here for my dividends, but that was OCSL, Gain, Cyan, and SQFT. So OCSL, that was shown on the 31st, I made 41.25. Gain, it was 15.27. Cyan, 21, was it 21.56? SQFT, 404. And then Conagra Brands, I'm at 1087. EPR Properties, 3396. There's another Gladstone, 4489. KeyCorp, 5286. Again, my goal is to get to 400 shares of KeyCorp. I'm going to go over a few things at the end of this video, what I plan on doing. Main Street Capital, 2616. Realty Income, 3404. And then we have this. Oh, we're going to go over this TLSA Option Income Strategy ETF. I'm going to do a video on these guys. I find it very interesting, and I threw some money into them to see what's going on. I made $9.93. Arbor Realty Trust, I made $218.19. Vitreous, I made $13.53. And Main Street Capital, I made $20.46. So I made a total of $533.52, which is very attractive. So I'm going to go over a few things with E-Trade. I might as well do it right now. So let me go over a few things with my E-Trade portfolio. So here's a few things. With Arbor Realty Trust, I'm at 564 shares. I'm going to continue to reinvest my dividends. There's a dip there. I like it. Sachem Capital, 279 shares. KeyCorp, 277. Gain, 190. SQFT, 183. That's a risk. That's almost like a penny stock. Realty Income, I'm at 134 shares. Horizon, HRZN, monthly dividend BDC, 125.81. Vitreous, 125. I want to get to 400. I may try to get to 400 shares at the end of this year with these guys. EPR Properties, 124. Main Street Capital, 117. Huntington Bank Shares, 103. That's one that I might possibly jump on after I get to 400 shares in KeyCorp. SQFT, that's like kind of like a little branch. It came off of SQFT. I don't think I get anything from those guys. OCSL, I have 75 shares. Cyan, 60 shares. Franklin Resources, BEN, 57 shares. GMRE, 53. Conagra Brands, 33. NLCP, which is classified as a OTC, like kind of a mortgage-backed real estate investment trust, which is in the Mary Jane business. I got New Tech at 6 shares. TSLY, I'm going to probably go over these guys with you. Very interesting covered call ETF. And Paramount, I'm at 15 shares. So I'm going to go over now to M1 Finance. But right here, I'm going to go to KeyCorp. Where am I at? 277 shares right here. I want to get to 400, and that's going to be exciting. I think that there's a possibility that I can get to 400 plus, really reinvest those dividends and let it fly with the dividend income, reinvesting the dividends for about 3 or 4 years, maybe 5 years, and then using that as passive income to buy other dividend stocks. I think that's what I'm going to do with KeyCorp. Now let's jump to M1 Finance. And we're at the Death Star. We're at $52,334.51. Since inception of the Death Star, This is my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. I've earned $5,267.88. That is, it's getting there. And I'm telling you, with these covered call ETFs, eventually I'm going to add them in there because I'm going to start buying a lot of dividend stocks. I don't want to reveal to you my portfolio yet because I need to add a few things and fix a few things with the percentage. And then I'm going to reveal to you a few things that I plan on doing with these guys. So my return was 35.90%, which is a gain of 5,355.75. Again, I'm not trying to chase the market. So that's one thing I just want to make clear. So let's go over my dividend history with these guys in this past month. Excuse me, not my dividend history, my dividend income for March. Let's go over that. So this was a pretty good month as well for me. So Enbridge 23.80 minus 357, Intel $4.72, Pfizer $2.79. I sold those guys took a little bit of a hit, and I'm rebuying them. Hercules Capital 42 cents plus 16.92. GOGL Ocean Group 6 cents plus 160. Walgreens I made 19.45. Then we're going to Agree Realty Corporation. That's another one I want to focus on with monthly dividend income, which usually hikes their dividend at 48 cents. Starbulk, I had 180 plus 35 cents. SL Green Realty Corp, I'm still going to hold on to these guys and see what they do with their dividend. I got 50 cents. Stag Industrial, 67 cents. Tyson Foods, 11.48. Wendy's, 4.11. I'm going to be loading up in Wendy's. I'm going to tell you that right now. Prudential, 14.94. Flowers Foods, 11.66. Owl Rock Corporation, 144 plus 3 cents. TSLX, 6th Street Specialty Lending, 232. Diana Shipping, 242. Jackson Financial, 21.46. Eagle Bulk Shipping, 62 cents. GLPI Gaming and Leisure Properties, 26.46. Vitus Investment Corp at 205. Saratoga Investment Corp at 27.96, and SFL Corporation 152. So calculating everything, hopefully I did this right, I made $198.40. So calculating everything, okay, I made a total of $727.88. So hard work is paying off, and honestly, if I can do this stuff with making this amount of dividend income a month or even more, you can do the same way. Same thing if you're well disciplined. So hard work, dedication, dollar cost averaging, reinvesting the dividends, that's that simple, and you can do that if you allocate your resources properly. I'm not giving financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. I am very transparent with what I do with my dividend investing. I provide dividend stock analysis videos. I review dividend stocks for you if you're new to this channel. I review dividend stocks for many people and many subscribers. So I enjoy doing that. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Welcome to my channel if you're new. And I will try to squeeze in a video on Sunday. Maybe, we'll see, but Monday for sure. So you got to hit that notification bell and smash that like button for me after you subscribe. Thank you and have a great